Hey guys, Freddie Hernandez here with F&J Productions. Welcome to our channel. In today's episode, we're going to be talking about what we carry in our bag at all times. First off of the bag is my newly purchased, about 2 months, my A6500 Sony. Right now, I have it with a Sigma 85mm lens, 1.4. I love this combination. I had to buy a M11 adapter in order for me to use the Sigma lens on the crop sensor camera. It's amazing, it shoots beautiful video, and the picture quality is amazing as well. The next camera that I have is a bit of an older camera. It's a Canon 50D. It's one of the first cameras I purchased when I first got into photography, and it has held through. I have dropped it, it's been rained on and everything else, and it's still working perfectly. This one I have a macro 100mm Canon lens. This thing, it's amazing. I love it for portrait photography. We always use it for weddings because we want to get those nice little detail shots, and it's a perfect lens all around, I think. The next thing coming out of my bag is going to be my flashes. We use 580EX2s on the cameras when we're shooting indoors or whenever you just need a little extra light. We got a little microphone, a little Rode Mini. I love this thing because you don't have to put any batteries in, you don't have to charge it, you just plug it into your camera and let's go. Excellent for video, small, fits everywhere. Buy one. The next thing that comes out of my bag is leaf filters. For the ones that know me very well, know how much I love shooting landscapes and long exposure photography. And these things are hands down the best ones I ever came across with and worked with. The next thing is my 35mm Sony lens that came with my Sony body, my A6500. I love this thing for taking video. It's a crop sensor camera, so this turns out to be like 55mm or 56, but it's still a really good lens. Next thing is pocket wizards. I always carry 3 or 4 with me at all times. You never know when you're going to use them. They're kind of small. They fit on the side of my bag. Always with me. The GoPro, I think everybody should always have a GoPro with them to get shots from weird small places where you can't fit your big body cameras. They speak for themselves. The GoPros are amazing. They're not too good with low light, but everything else, action cameras, hey, GoPros are the best. Batteries. Always have extra batteries. I got a bunch of rechargeable batteries with me at all times. They're always charged. Batteries for your cameras. Always extra chargers at all times. You always need them. Next thing that I always carry with me is a little Gorilla Pod. This thing's works great. You can attach your camera to it, hang it from a tree for whatever kind of shots you're trying to get. Always have it with you. If you want to vlog, you're like, hey. Memory cards. Always need lots of them. Always carry extra ones because you never know when you're going to drop one is going to fail on you. So always carry extra ones. And lastly is my drone. This doesn't go inside my bag, but I always tie it somehow to my bag. Always comes with me wherever I go. It has traveled to a couple places already with me, and I love it. This is a Mavic Pro, and if you see my pictures on Instagram, they were all taken with this little thing. It's small. I can take it with me anywhere I go. So with all that said, thank you for stopping by. Thank you for giving us your time. Everything that we talked about today is going to be linked down below. So if you're looking for a new camera or any of this gear is helpful to you, check it out. If you haven't already, consider subscribing to our channel. It helps us and motivates us to make more videos. With all that said, see you next time.